The 15 biggest mistakes travelers make at airports. Airports can be thrilling and stressful. You're surrounded by shops, security checks, announcements you barely understand, and thousands of people all trying to get somewhere. But here's the thing. For every smooth traveler you see gliding through the terminal, there are dozens making small mistakes that cause delays, cost money, or even make them miss their flights entirely. Today, we're counting down the 15 biggest mistakes travelers make at airports. And number 1, it's so common that even frequent flyers still fall for it. Stick around until the end, because if you avoid these mistakes, you'll save yourself time, stress, and a lot of money on your next trip. 15. Arriving too late. We've all heard, get to the airport 2 hours before domestic flights, 3 hours for international. Yet many travelers still cut it way too close. What might be the problem? Long check-in lines, security delays, gate changes at the last minute. In 2025, security screening wait times have increased in many airports due to upgraded scanning technology. So if you arrive just 60 minutes before an international flight, you're gambling big. Pro tip: always allow extra time, especially during peak travel seasons. 14. Arriving too early. On the flip side, some travelers arrive way too early, like 6 to 7 hours before their flight, thinking they'll relax. Why it's a mistake. You'll tire yourself out before your trip even starts. Shops and food courts get expensive fast. Lounges may limit entry times, so you can't always check in early. Arriving insanely early can turn your trip into a long, boring wait. Strike a balance. Early enough to avoid stress, but not so early you burn out. 13. Not checking. Terminal and gate changes. Airports are constantly changing gate assignments, sometimes just minutes before boarding. The risk: you might be sitting at the wrong gate while your plane boards elsewhere. Large airports like Istanbul or Atlanta can require 20+ minutes to walk between gates. Tip: always check the flight information screens and your airline app regularly, even after you've gone through security. 12. Ignoring baggage rules. Overpacking or misunderstanding. Baggage policies can cost you money and time. The trap: airlines in 2025 are stricter than ever about carry-on size and weight. Some low-cost carriers now measure bags at the gate and charge hefty on-the-spot fees. Solution: double-check your airline's baggage policy before you even start packing. 11. Forgetting travel documents. Believe it or not, this still happens every day. People arrive without passports, visas, or required COVID-era documentation. In 2025, some destinations require digital entry forms you must complete before boarding. Others require proof of onward travel, or they won't let you check in. Fix: keep a digital and paper copy of all your documents in a secure, easy-to-reach place. 10. Not using online check-in. Skipping online check-in might seem harmless, but it can put you at a disadvantage. Why it matters: you can choose better seats early. You might skip long check-in lines if you're traveling with carry-on only. Airlines sometimes overbook. Checking in online early secures your seat. 9. Ignoring security prep. Security lines are one of the most stressful parts of air travel. Mistake: not being ready when it's your turn. People scramble to remove belts, laptops, and liquids while holding up the line. In 2025, more airports are adopting advanced scanners that don't require removing laptops, but rules vary, so you still need to be prepared. Pro tip: wear easy-to-remove shoes, keep electronics accessible, and pack liquids in a clear bag. 8. Using the wrong security line. Not all security lines are created equal. The trap. Many travelers automatically join the first long line they see. Meanwhile, a much shorter line could be around the corner. Bonus tip. Check for priority lines if you have airline status, premium tickets, or are willing to pay for a fast-track service. 7. Forgetting to eat or hydrate. Airport food is expensive, but skipping meals can make you cranky and tired before you even board. The mistake. Not eating before security and finding limited options inside. Not drinking enough water. Air travel dehydrates you faster. In 2025, more airports have bottle refill stations, so carry an empty bottle through security and fill it up. 6. Overpaying for airport transport. From taxis to shuttle buses, airport transport can be overpriced if you don't plan ahead. The issue? Many travelers just grab the first option they see. Some are targeted by unlicensed drivers charging triple the normal rate. Tip: research your options before landing. Sometimes public transport is faster and much cheaper. 5. Not watching your belongings. Airports are generally safe, but theft still happens. Mistake: leaving phones or bags unattended while getting coffee, or not keeping an eye on your suitcase in crowded check-in areas. 2025. Trend: pickpockets target passengers distracted by their phones or busy at self-check kiosks. 4. Not understanding duty-free pricing. Many travelers assume duty-free means cheap. Not always. The problem: prices may be higher than in your home city. Some duty-free shops add hidden fees in 2025 for certain payments. Advice: only buy big-ticket items if you've checked their normal retail price. 3. Overpacking carry-ons with prohibited items. Forgetting to check what's allowed can lead to delays or losing items. Common mistakes: packing liquids over the limit. Carrying tools, sharp objects, or flammable items. Tip: review your country's carry-on restrictions before packing. It'll save you stress at security. 2. Not allowing for customs delays. Many travelers plan tight connections without considering customs queues. In 2025, automated passport control has sped things up in some places, but others still have long lines, especially during peak hours. 1. Not downloading the airport and airline apps. This is the single most avoidable mistake. Why it's so important? You get real-time updates on gate changes, boarding times, and baggage claim. Some apps let you order food to your gate. Digital boarding passes mean one less thing to lose. In 2025, these apps can even alert you to security wait times and let you pay for lounge access instantly. And there you have it. The 15 biggest mistakes travelers make at airports. Avoid these, and your next trip will be smoother, faster, and a lot less stressful. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Be honest. I've made at least 5 of them myself. Drop your answer in the comments so we can all relate. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's traveling soon. Trust me, they'll thank you later.